Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, Natural Nikisha. Thank you for clicking on my video. In today's video, I will be sharing with you one of my favorite DIY face masks. The ingredients that I use in my face mask are brown sugar, some honey, and lemon juice. So guys, now for the ingredients. I have my bowl. I'll be using some sugar, some brown sugar, then I'll be adding some honey, and then I'll be adding my lemon juice. And I'm going to be stirring it in. You don't want to get it too runny. If it's too runny, then you can go back and add some more sugar. So I'm just adding a little bit more sugar. So this is the consistency. Look at it, guys. So brown sugar, some lemon juice, and honey. Now guys, before I apply my DIY face mask, I will be cleansing the face with one of my favorite cleanser. So guys, I have completed cleansing the face, so I'm gonna go ahead now and apply the face mask. So after I have applied my face mask, guys, I'll be using my hands just to rub it in for about a minute or so. And then I would leave it for 15 minutes to sit on my face. Then I will wash and apply my favorite oil. This face mask, guys, I normally use 1 to 2 times per week. Okay guys, I have gone ahead and I have washed off the face mask after 15 minutes or so, and I have already cleansed my face. Now I will be applying one of my favorite moisturizers that I love to use. And my face is still a little bit damp. This DIY face mask, guys, has helped me to get rid of acne, dry skin, and evens my skin tone. Okay guys, so there you have it. Hello guys, today I will be transplanting my aloe vera plant to a new set of soil in another pot. All right, so what I have here, I have my soil ready. So I will be pouring in some soil about halfway to 3/4 way in the pot. So I'm gonna pour in some more soil. I think that would be enough for now. And I'm gonna be putting in my aloe vera plant. So guys, there you have it. I have completed the repotting of my aloe vera plant. I'm just gonna add a little water now. Not too much. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video.